Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you the fastest way to farm candy canes in Fish It Roblox. So as you know, the candy canes is the currency used to buy items in the Christmas Islands. So if you want to get the candy canes currency fast, this is what you are going to do. So on the Christmas Island, as you guys can see, there will be lots of houses in here. So you just need to knock on every door like this. As you guys can see, now I got 13 candy canes, so you can just repeat it until you knock all of the doors. But there's also an empty spot that you got nothing like this. You can just find the one that has candy for you. Besides this, you can also exchange or give your presents to the gift factory, to the Santa, like this one for example. Let me give it to the Santa Claus. So you can go to the gift factory, and if you're in luck, the Santa will exchange it with candy canes. So that's pretty much all. That's how you can farm candy cane fast and Fish It. So I got 250 candy canes from giving the present to the Santa. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. I'll see you in the next one.